Picture it, 1988, 5th period. You're just leaving math class. You stopping by your locker, you give it the old 1-2 punch, you open that thing up, you get your Sony Walkman out, you put it on. You're on your way to lunch. What's for lunch? Well, it's Wednesday. You know what Wednesday is? That's right, cardboard pizza day. That's what we're cooking up. Stay tuned. Flour, powdered milk, sugar, salt, oil, yeast. Let's build some crust, or dough, or crusty dough. Doughy. We're gonna put some shit together. So for the record, I disagree with how we're gonna do this. However, we're just gonna follow the instructions that were written down by some 95-year-old lady. So we're gonna go along with it. We'll just do that. I don't know why I'm pausing so much. It's so dramatic. Let's build our dough, aka our crust, our foundation, our cardboard, if you will. Take your flour. I'm gonna make a little welly well. I don't know why I said it that many times. Powdered milk, right inside. Sugar, down in. Salt, in there. Yeast. Now we're going to put that in. Now this is where I disagree with this, because I know this is the wrong way to do this. However, this is how it was written, so this is what I'm going to do. Stir to combine. Next, you're going to need your water. It's going to be 1 2/3 cup between 105 and 110. We're running 106 right now. Got to get it poured. Start pouring in that water. And your oil. Stir to combine. So after you stir all this up, you're going to end up with a batter. Kind of like a little bit thicker than pancake batter, a little shaggier than that. And yes, by the way, I know something happened with the lighting. I changed something halfway through because I didn't like the way the other lighting worked. So don't sue me. We're going to let our dough sit for about 5 minutes and it'll start to work its magic and start to firm up a little bit. While we're here, now we're going to hit our sheet, which is for our, of course, sheet pizza, with a little cooking spray. Because, well, that's what they used to do. And then we need to line this with some parchment paper. Our batter, aka dough, has been resting for about 5 minutes now. So I'm gonna kinda, I think I'm gonna do a bloop right down here in the middle. And then we're gonna try to fix it from there. Don't really know how this is gonna work. So it looks to me like this kind of worked out. Coffee wants to beep at me, so we'll start that over. Okay, it seems to be pretty okay here. It's one level. It's not very thick. It's actually like cardboard. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes, and I don't know. So at this point, whatever deity you pray to, you might want to start that now. Also, full disclosure on this thing, first time. I've never made this before. So that's what makes this stuff even better, is that if I screw up, I'm still posting this. That's what's gonna make it fun. I give to you a cracker. Okay, folks, I'm gonna level with you here. It smells like dough, but it's just a big cracker. Okay, I can't. I don't know if I can't. No, there's no way I can like show you that. It's still hot as shit. It's just a big cracker. But you know what? We're rolling with it. We're doing this. We're going all the way, folks. You got it. Here's where it goes off the rails, folks. This is the filling for the pizza. Get yourself a little skillet here, and you need a ½ pound of chuck, ½ teaspoon salt and pepper. Fry it up. So I've taken our meat mixture, what I'm gonna call it, fried it up and drained it, and that's what you end up with. Just meat. So now, we're gonna start working on the sauce. Then we're gonna put this thing together. And now we make it a sauce. Why am I talking like that? I sound like Antonio, which was Mario's third cousin, who grew up with them in Sicily, but then had to move to Naples because his dad had a gambling problem. Where do I come up with this stuff? I don't even know. Anyways, that's what we're gonna do. Go ahead and start making our sauce. So all the ingredients and the measurements will be at the bottom of this video. As always, make sure you get every little freaking splooge of stuff, because I don't know about this one, guys. Oh man, see, I just flung shit everywhere. Anyways, okay, we have our tomato sauce. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna combine in 1 cup of water and 1/3 of a cup of extra virgin, not penetrated oil. And let's see, we'll stir this to combine a little bit. Oh yeah, this is just watery goodness. Oh yeah, no, yeah, this is like school. And then don't forget your spice mixture, which is garlic, oregano, basil, some other kind of witch's brew, part of a hairnet. I don't know. It's all in here. And combine this. Then we'll go ahead and throw this on the pizza and hope to God this works. If not, that's what Pepto-Bismol is for, right folks? That's right. Make sure you clean up your mess. It's about that time, folks. We got our shell or our crust or whatever you want to call this thing, and it's, again, you know, very, very thin. You can see it here. It's about the size of, about a thickness of a Triscuit. Tell you the truth. We have our sauce made here. Now, if I remember correctly, it was dry as shit. Let's go ahead and sprinkle on our meat mixture here. Next up, let's get that cheese. Okay. That's where we're at. Let's go ahead and cook it. Here we go. There it is, folks. One cafeteria pizza. I got to admit, it doesn't smell bad. However, this crust, yeah, that's cardboard. That is straight up cardboard. I'm gonna bust a tooth on that. I don't even know what to say about it. But, we're going to give it a try. So I'm going to let this sit for, I don't know, maybe about 5-10 minutes, cool a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and zippy do. All right, let's give this guy a cut. So let's see. Here's middle. We'll come over here a little bit. About here. And over here. And then, if I remember correctly, they were kind of bigger pieces, but not huge. So let's see here. Let's take this guy here. Actually, you know what? I'm a corner whore. I'm gonna take this corner piece right here. Okay. So there it is, right there. School cafeteria pizza. Take 1. In the books. So, our pizza's done. There it is right there. Okay. Let's get that in there. See that? Alright. 1 bite challenge like Portnoy. Because why not? You know, that's his thing. So, yep. Mm-hmm. It tastes like pizza you get at a cafeteria or in a hospital bed. Alright, I mean, maybe you liked it as a kid. Alright, maybe that was your only nourishment that you had when you were in school. Maybe you have a hidden feeling for this. I don't know, I'm mad at you. I think we can make it better though. I think just changing a couple ingredients and trying to keep it at a low cost, I think is something that we can do. But in the meantime, there it is. I hope you enjoyed this. Till next time, buon appetito.